What is up, guys? Tim, another video. Today I'm unboxing the Rubik's Cube. I finally got a real one. So let's just talk about the box first. So as you guys can tell, the name is it's Rubik's Cube. And if you guys just noticed that this little cube has the eye. Yeah. No circles. Circles are banned in the Rubik's Cube land. So the barcode is pretty big. Also, look at the app here. It's nice shell. So, yeah, let's unbox it. So, first off, the tape was opened. I found it at the store. Oh well, who cares? So, now it's easy. Thought I had to take a bunch of tape off. So, these flaps open. Now it's time to take it out. Rubik's Cube. Let's get to the Rubik's Cube. Look. There's something in here. What is it? Okay. Oh, not the way. Let's get this away. It's a stand. Found a stand for the Rubik's Cube. No, it's not actually. So let's talk about the stand first, and then we'll get to the Rubik's Cube. It's like a little triangle thingy, and at all sides it says Rubik's Cube, and also on the front it says it's a Rubik's Cube but shiny. So let's get to the actual Rubik's Cube now. I like that noise. So, if you guys are wondering how to make a checker pattern out of it, first you twist the middle bit 2 times until it's orange, red, blue, green, and just yellow on each side. And then what you're going to do is get it sideways, just like this, and then you're going to twist the middle again 2 times until on 2 sides it is a checkers pattern, and on the other side it's just lines, and then you just do this, so then all the sides get checkers. And you want to put it back, just do the same thing again, just do it backwards, so, and then you get it back. So and another thing, it says Rubik's Cube. So yeah, so we can use this little stand as a display. This is dumb. You know what's dumb? Billions of reasons. Let's do it how it is on the box. So, red, yellow, blue. Oh, nope. How do you in the fart world do that? Oh, good. So, Rubik's Cube unboxing has been done. Wait, hold on. I didn't finish unboxing it yet. We're gonna take these off. Hold on, okay. Boom! What's up, guys? I'm with another video. Today I'm unboxing the Rubik's Cube. So easy. What if that was actually how they sold it? But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you have a Rubik's Cube. And if you do, it was like, what kind is it? Like 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 9x9, 100x100. Yeah, tell me which one you have. So, subscribe, leave a like, ring the notification bell button thing. Comment down below if you have a Rubik's Cube. So, bye.